I'm pretty sure that you said 70% of revenues go to taxes. Is that what you said? So why is that? Are those like special cannabis taxes or something?
Partially, but I'll explain it in a way that makes perfect sense. So we call it the Al Capone law. There's a special section of the tax code called Section 280E. And 280E says that if you make money from something illegal, that you cannot take any deductions or depreciations, except for cost of goods sold, which is usually a nominal cost. So this is what was used to bust Al Capone and other mafia dons back in the day, because they would make all this illicit money and then they wouldn't pay taxes, or they would try to depreciate or deduct assets that were from ill-gotten gains. Well, today, fast forward to today in the 2020s, the federal government goes to these cannabis businesses and says, you can't depreciate your property, you can't deduct your rent, you can't deduct your labor, you can't do all these things. So you end up paying full freight at the federal level if you're not structured the right way, and you're paying 40%. Well, add that to the state tax, which is at 20%, and then most local taxes between 5 and 15%. So you're anywhere between 65 and 75% of gross revenue of taxes. I tell people this, that most cannabis businesses are insolvent before they even start their business, because they don't take the tax burden into consideration. And it's actually stifling the licensing process, because people realize that once they're actually not in the gray market or the black market, their gross revenue is going to go down significantly if they properly report their monies like they're supposed to. I think that the only people that will survive the next couple of years while we wait for the business to become more normal is that the ones that are going to be able to put more capital into the business, in the hopes that they can stay afloat long enough for the federal government to change the rules. And that's a hope that we don't know is going to happen or not, depending on what happens politically.
That's really fascinating.